So, what's up? It's been a while. It's been a couple months, I want to say. I don't have a recipe, and I'm just kind of winging this one, to be honest. So we have good old fish, salmon, sockeye salmon, some peppers, lettuce, tomato, avocado, olive oil, chili powder. Don't mind the Starbucks coffees, and yeah, I'm going to attempt to make fish tacos my way. No recipe. This is gonna be fun. Yeah. Come on, man. Now, that smells familiar. Anywho, we're gonna try and do this. We're gonna see how well this do, because yeah. Okay. Anyways, let's see. So, I was advised to slice these these pieces of fish. I was told to slice them up, put them in some olive oil, which I have some of that in here, and then like coat it with some of my chili powder. So let's try. We're gonna try it two ways. We're gonna try one way where I take the skin off the salmon, if it allows. Then we're gonna try another way where I don't take the skin off the salmon, just to see the difference. You ever just realize that your life kind of missing a little bit of life in general? Well, there's this drink called Beta Life. You might want to give it a try. Yeah, see, you got some right there. Give it a slurp, man. It's definitely worth it. Vitalize your life with Beta Life. And look out for our Beta Life sweepstakes, where you can win a lifetime supply of Beta Life. Just so I can, still handle the chili powder without getting fish smell all over it. Let's go ahead. This turned on. Let's hit the fish, 350. Okay. These drinks out. Okay. Scoop you over just a little bit. She said. See how well it goes. Okay. So we'll take some of the fish. Do it there. We'll have this over here. So we can take the fish and put it in there. So right now what we're doing, we're coating this fish in some olive oil. Can you see how well it does? My countertop's uneven. Anyways. Boom. Boom. Then we'll take some chili powder. Just sprinkle it in there. Just so we can get it on the fish here. You can see what that looks like. Yeah. Now that we got our salmon all coated, we'll place it in the air fryer here. Give a little test. See how well it does. So this is about 4 minutes in the air fryer. Ow, that's hot. It's not bad. So, I'll probably put it on for 6 minutes with the next batch and see how that goes. Guess it's more like a burrito. Oh yeah. Yep. I've done it again. So you want to try beta?